Go.
Go!
Yeah. Hey, get over here. It's not dangerous. Jake,
He'll be fine. He'll be fine. For the picture.
Jake, it's not. You're gonna get your ass whipped. That's you so mad. Come on.
Two, one. Here you go. Cheeky. Look at the view.
Cheeky monkey.
Here we go. Biggest zip line of the day. Can I go next?
What did you think of his performance?
Pretty good.
Go. Pirates of the Caribbean. Ahoy, matey! Oh, I will not be following you on this one, my son. Come on, Jacob, finish up. You can't take it. Just pull you across. Let go of the hoop. All right, just slide over.
Just give up, man. Just give up.
You slide over. No, I hear you. He's a warrior. The sun is gonna set soon, though.
It's gonna get dark in a minute here, Jacob.
Jackson, we need some commentary. You're live.
Here we have Jacob trying to take on some boots on his feet here. Seems to be struggling a little bit. It's day 3 of the hard work.
Day 3.
It's all just.
There you go.
Dad. It's almost like we're watching a survival series here as we try to escape this after 3 days of hard work, guys.
Wait, hang on. Let's go back to Jack. Jack in a tree for commentary. Go ahead, Jack.
All right, guys. It appears Jacob's in a survival series here. He's trying to survive 3 days on the hoops.
I gotta get my foot
That was
perfectly.
so hard.
It's all on how you start off. That like how you start your day eating breakfast. You gotta have a good breakfast.
Trim head to it.
Dad. Dad. Look at my arm.
Ripped.
I don't think I'll be showing anyone how to do this.
It's just all red.
I'll take a break today.
Come on, Jake. You got it.
I don't know if I want to go anymore.
Just go back. It's done.
No, finish it.
I mean, sure, it'll be the biggest busting dude in the history of the world. but-
How do you do this?
Let go of your left foot and
Jacob, I
move
do
to
this
your
one-
right.
what-
This is the most important one to keep strapped on right here. Because you don't want to fall off this one. Right there. Hey, you got
Gotcha.
it.
2 minutes and 42 seconds.
That was so hard. Oh my god.
Actually, I'm going to skip
We
one.
found ourselves in the same room. That was violent.
Dad, you gotta do this one. You do this one, Dad.
What?
You can do this one?
No.
This one's so hard.
Not interested. You are no American Ninja Warrior, I can tell you that.
Yeah, I know how much I'm just gonna slide.
Hey, watch your mouth. I know you. I got that on video.
I think I'm just gonna slide over this one.
I think you're gonna have plenty of time. Which guy, Jack?
These guys.
Can you get my foot off? I'm not making it out here.
With these guys, Jacob, use these.
Let me pull you back.
So you're being a big goose and bust right now, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Can't get it off my foot.
Three, two, one.
Nice.
Three.
Good. Look at me.
Two,
Go get him,
one, go! I'm not holding the right thing.
Kelly. Well,
My finger stuck, Dad. Bring me back. Grab me, grab me, grab me.
wait for him to get off before you start. You're doing good, Jack.
I know, I'm proud of this one. I left.
Ready? Yep. Go, Jack.
Go, Jacker. Let's go, Jacker.
Pretty good. Like a pro, like a gangster.
Like a pro. All right, you're up, Dad.
No, I have to go last time.
You decided to go backwards out on this one? Yeah, sorry. You strapped in? Yeah, I'll see you. Sit in. I'll tag out on this. Just a blue, just a blue. Blue? Stop, restarting. Go. Good job, Ryan.
We're here live at Big Ape. We've got Jackie Jack. Jackie Jack, what do you think about Jakey Jake's performance?
I know. I can't tell if he's having a seizure or climbing a ladder here.
That's a great mask you got on. I've never seen that.
Well, that one's a tough one, actually. The one you slipped on.